Welcome back to the channel, Second Nature Outdoor. Tonight we are gonna go to Java Flat, trying to do kayak fishing. I just got my new NuCanoe Unlimited high seat, so this would be very stable for me. I had Passport 12.0 and that was a little lower seat and I didn't like that, so I'm gonna try this out, catch some striper, see how things go. I bought also a motor guide XI3, so with a GPS on saltwater, so we'll see how that go. That should be good. Alrighty, talk to you later. Yes? Good.
Get out of his ass. Hurry him. He doesn't care. I mean, take my phone. By the way,
This is the setup. Here's my setup. All ready to go. Well, first time trying it. We'll see how that goes. All right, at this point I can feel that the kayak is very stable for me, and I'm sitting on a high seat. Also, I'm not really low to the ground. So this is a NuCanoe Unlimited that probably came out in 2021, but I did exchange, and then just the fact that most of these kayaks are not comfortable for me. I like the 360 rotation on the seat, and I also put a motor guide XI3 saltwater version. This kayak, it's the dimension is 12.6 feet with 41 inches width. Now that's a big thing from coming from a Hobie Passport 12.0. That width was, I believe it's 32. Correct me if I'm wrong. Again, this is my first time putting this thing on the water and do the first test. So right there, once again, it's a rookie move. I have no idea how this motor really worked. Once you deployed, it should able to turn around and then click to the adjustment where it should be locking up, but I didn't know that, so I bent down, reach over and try to adjust it manually. But if you really know what you're doing, just drop the motor, turn slowly left and right, and slowly on your remote, and it will click into that lock place, and that will be easy. Again, I am new to this, and I thought that would be a problem. I was like, oh boy, here we go. I think I bought a wrong
Definitely
product.
still learning with this motor. Yeah. Yeah, it's right next to me, right here. Holy crap, dude!
Spot lock and macro.
All right. Yep.
So right there, I pressed the anchor button, which is Motor Guide pinpoint anchor. So it basically stays still, so I can set up all my stuff ready to go fishing. That's one of the best thing that it's definitely a game
No, they're
changer
everywhere,
for
bro.
those fishermen that you don't want to carry all the anchor,
next to you,
drop
right?
it down and get caught sometime. But this motor is incredible. But again, you're gonna see me
Dude.
doing some mistake stuff that I will learn.
Oh, I'm telling you right now,
And
this motor is
yeah,
awesome. So I just put spot lock. But of course, just like any other thing, my thing is all over the place. Can I get some spray?
so right here is a perfect example of how easy it is to use this motor with just a press of a button. I can come up to my buddy and pretty close. Of course, you can get the reverse
yeah.
button. You just move it around left and right, the front and back, and it's just that simple.
You don't want to turn you quick and fucking
I'm sitting high, very comfortable, very stable. I haven't stand up yet, but with this kind of water, I can definitely stand up easily.
leave it in there.
Yeah.
Well, jump right in front of my face.
Yep.
Hold on, let me throw it in there too.
As you can see that the striper jumping like 5 feet, 10 feet away from us. They are enjoying their meal, but they're not eating us right now. They typically will start biting when the sun go down. Please enjoy the view. Look at this. This is such a beautiful view.
Isn't this great? Amazing. I tell you. Yeah. Nice view. Choice.
So right here is a mistake that I made. One of the mistakes that I make. This could be tragic. You can't really, on this motor, you cannot go on a full speed and then press an anchor button. It is gonna read from where you press the anchor button, and it's gonna turn it right away. And at that point, I almost like, oh my goodness, I almost fall. We don't want to do that. Take it slow, drop down your speed, and then press an anchor if you come close to where you want it to stop.
You throwing it in there? Huh?
Now, I'm fishing a location between Salisbury Beach and Java Flat and Plum Island.
Big
The
boy,
water
man.
is not that deep. Low tide,
Gonna weird
roughly around
swerve
between
touch my
2
lung. Splash.
feet to
Didn't even do
8
that.
feet of water. Fish usually
Fish on, baby.
eat at night. So here is a fish on, my first fish of the night. It's not a keeper, but it's still fun. This new setup I'm having, I am loving it, and I'm still playing with the light right in front of my GoPro, trying to adjust that.
Small boy. Whoa. Yeah. Little inky dinky. But hey, fish is a fish, baby. Alright, I'll let you go. Slow down. Slow down. Oh, small one. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Got you. Come on, Rookie. Gotcha. Ah, small one. Hey, buddy. Go ahead. That's it. I don't have to throw too far. It's just around here. Let's see. There's some fish out there. If you really look at this. There's some fish. Just trying to redeem myself from last time. It was rough. 2 days ago I lost a nice setup. That because I was so hungry and I'm having a sandwich. But tonight hopefully I can redeem myself. That was a good one. First one in Plum Island or Java Flat, that matter. But hey, they're here. They're not as action as 2 days ago. Everybody catch. I didn't do anything. I didn't do good. But hey, you know what? We're fishing. Here you go. Oh, that feel big. That feel big. That feel big.
So right here, finally I land something big, and I was happy.
This one's big.
But
one's
because
big, bro.
it's a
Pulling
big fish and it's fighting me and it's pulling me. At the same time, my anchor on the motor guide is on, so that's not good in a way. Here I am trying to reach the remote and I can't see. The life jacket is all blocking me. So, and you can see that remote is behind me and I couldn't even find it. I just need to unlock that anchor button so that the fish can pull me freely.
It's fire. Yeah. Woo! Let's follow this. Let them take us. Here it is. Let him take us. Yeah, baby. I see the lead. He's coming. Oh, he's big. Oh, he's a keeper. He's a slot size. Oh, he's a slot size. I hope you're a slot size. Oh. That's a slot size. Yeah. See that, baby? You know, he's tired. He's tired.
Here's where the problem I'm having right now. The seat are high. this is where, like I said, it's an adjustment of learning this kayak. It is very comfortable, but the seat is a little bit too high, and the life jacket is a Chinook
Easy, aren't you?
life jacket. Is a very good jacket, but yep, it's blocking my view. I can't bend down, and I'm a little bit high.
The chair's
So
just a little too high.
that's something's gonna have to change in the future. I might have to drop down the seat a little bit to get it more comfortable. I mean, the seat is great, but I'm having a hard time trying to grip that fish. I try to lift it. It's gonna take me a little bit. Again, this is new, so everything about this kayak is new to me. So I'm trying to work things out and try to make it work right for me. Yeah, so don't mind me on that plumbing crack.
Rookie move, baby.
It is difficult trying to grab that fish and it won't open. Typically that would have been very easy if I'm on a lower platform. Nevertheless, that fish is on and I'm bringing it up, and it is 34.5 inches. So it's a slot size. It's a keeper.
What do you think?
So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, or comment. Again, this is my first time using this kayak. It's not a review, it's just my experience, and there's certain things I definitely gonna have to change in the future.
Nice one.
But other than that, I mean, it's great. It's awesome kayak. I will have to do a review on the next video of the NuCanoe Unlimited. But I really need to go on a rough water and test it out and see how strong and how stable
34 and a half, yeah, boy.
So I'm very, very happy so far.
34 and a half, yeah, baby, yeah.